Hey everyone, today's May 9th, 2020, and I hope all of you are having a great day today. In today's video, I finally got my new front lip in the mail for my Subaru BRZ. In the past 3 years of ownership, I've had maybe 5 or 6 different front lips for this car, and I was gonna go back to a gruddy lip, but I ended up finding a front lip that is gonna look awesome that many people have on their BRZ, FRS, or 86. It did take a while due to the coronavirus for it to come into the mail, and I'm still waiting for my carbon fiber fender canards to come in the mail, but they should be coming in shortly. So right now I just unboxed my new front lip. I'll take it out and I'll show you guys what it looks like, head to my garage and get it installed. Wow. Alright guys, this is awesome. So this is a 2-piece front lip I got for my BRZ. It has a bottom splitter on it with a GV style front lip. And I'll give you guys a closer look at this, and I'll get this installed on my BRZ. Alright guys, we'll take a quick look at this before we head out and get this installed. And that looks awesome. And like I said, it does have the front lip on top with the splitter on the bottom, and it is urethane, so if I go over bumps and if I hit this on anything, it won't shatter, it'll bend. And with all my front lips I get for my BRZ, I make sure they are urethane because in the Chicago area the roads are not the best, and hitting any potholes, there's a lot of areas where I could bust my lip really bad. So having a urethane front lip will protect it, it'll be able to take more damage. And really quick, I'll show you the inside of this here. So what I like about this front lip is it came already installed with the splitter, and the actual front lip itself has really good quality hardware all the way on the inside. And all I have to do is put this on the car to drill on both sides, one here, and I might put some 3M on the front here, but we'll see. It should be all set. So we'll head out to the garage now and get this install started. Alright guys, so in the garage, and this should be an easy install to get that front lip on the car, and the BRZ looks so nice right now. And I haven't been driving it lately due to COVID-19, haven't really been leaving my house. And my car is due for a new modification because everything looks so nice with it right now. And all I'm missing is my Aero pieces, the front lip, which I'm installing today, and my carbon fiber fender canards, which should be in the mail any day now, and I can't wait to put those on. So the front lip is currently on. I still need to put the hardware that came with it on. I'll put that on in a second. But yeah, see, I'll put it in right here. 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. Look at that, it changes the whole front end of my car. And once I put the hardware in, what I'll do is do a full walk around of my car. I'll pull the car out of the garage. And look at that, that looks insane, it looks so good.
Hey girl, I know exactly how you, hey, rather blazing up with you than anybody else. Counting that nothing, I let you know if I'm gonna need some help. Nah, a little minute, they not really forward, falling for something that wasn't real, so I feel it, homie. Keep it closer than the rest of them, never let the best of us get to you, know so much better than anything I've ever seen.
Alright guys, so I just finished my installation of my front lip and splitter on my BRZ, and honestly it looks awesome, and it's my favorite front lip and splitter for the BRZ, FRS, or 86. Alright guys, and I apologize, my car's so dirty right now. I'll definitely get it washed later today. And wow, look at that. That looks so good. Wow, this is way better than I thought it was gonna be. This is really blowing me away right now. It's making my car look so good. Look at that. It changed my car completely. It makes the car look so much more aggressive because I do have my carbon fiber Cybon wide fenders, my STI style side skirts, my TRD canards, and I have my Leg Sport carbon fiber ducktail wing. I had all these Aero pieces here and my GCS rear diffuser right here, which I'm gonna swap that out for a more aggressive one really soon. I had all these Aero pieces, and the ones I was missing was my carbon fiber garnish right here and my front lip. And taking a closer look at it, you can see it has the front lip part of it with a splitter attached to it. And I am gonna clean the whole car soon, but wow. My car looks so aggressive right now. It really completes the whole Aero kit of my car right now, and I couldn't be any happier with my new front lip. And again, this is the GV front lip with the lower splitter. The front end of my car looks so good now. Before, it was okay, it looked goofy without the front lip. Now that it has it, it changes it completely. I feel like the car flows really well from the front to the back, all the Aero pieces and the mods I have around my car, all the cosmetic modifications. And my car is so low right now. With my new coilovers I put on the car several weeks ago, I think I have the perfect fitment for my work emotion CRQ Amis. On the front, I can't even put one finger in there. And in the back, the fitment's even more aggressive. If you see that, if I try it, I can't even put my finger, like you can put a credit card maybe in there, and I have no rub whatsoever. But right now, this is becoming my dream setup for my BRZ. And we'll just do a quick walk around right now, because this is honestly amazing. Everything's coming together so nicely, and I just wish car meets and car season was happening right now. And if you guys didn't watch my last video, wow, just look at this angle right here. It really made my car whole again. And please leave a comment down below what you guys think of my new GV style front lip for my BRZ. It really is blowing me away. My whole front end of my car with the TRD canards that look aggressive, and my new front lip, it looks so good. And with these fenders here, these are my Cybon carbon fiber wide fenders, and they're 10 millimeters wider on both sides, so it is slightly bigger than stock body. And if you take a look back, you can see that it is wider. I was able to have more of an aggressive stance for my wheels, which makes the car look aggressive overall. The front of the car looks so mean with the VLAN headlights. Everything just flows so nicely right now. It's mods like this, like my front lip, that really make me fall in love with my BRZ all over again. And in the next couple months here, I will be boosting my car, which is going to be awesome. And I'll do a full series on that. And right now, I'm just getting the exterior, all the cosmetic stuff all figured out, getting everything in the exact way I want it to. And so far everything's going extremely smooth, and I couldn't be any happier with what I have right now on the car. And like I said in the mail, these fender canards are coming, and it's gonna really make it look nice, because I'm sick of having this hole in here and it doesn't look good at all. But once that's filled out and has something really aggressive putting there, it's gonna be awesome. And what I was thinking is possibly putting an aftermarket carbon fiber hood, or keeping the same color hood, or putting hood scoops, doing something to it. Because stepping back, And it looks just fine. The car looks great, but I feel like since I have these carbon fiber fenders right here and these are wider, I think having a more aggressive hood would make everything look nice altogether. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think I should do. I should stay with a stock hood, or if I do get an aftermarket hood, what kind do you think I should get for it? It is a beautiful day in the Chicago area today, and I honestly couldn't be any happier with my new front lip and how my BRZ build is going. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video right here, so please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of my new front lip on my BRZ. I honestly love how it looks, and I couldn't be any happier with it. And please leave a comment down below what you guys think I should do to my car. I was thinking of swapping off my hood, putting a new one in, and leave a comment down below what you guys think I should do with that. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.